Hi, it's Hannah with WTI, and my daughter is 1, and I have an obsession with hair clips, but I needed a good way to keep everything organized. So this storage box by HOME4 has been absolutely perfect. It has so much storage in it. It's easy to get in and out of. Really cool. It has this really nice handle for if you do want to take it to go. But how it works is there is just sets of clasps. So that takes the lid off. And then each layer then just has another set of clasps. So you take this layer off and you have this layer. I'm still building up her supply. So tons of storage space. You can see I was able to use the little stickers to write her name, Calla Jane, and some couple little words. So as you can see, it's easy to keep everything organized in its own spot. It's really nice that these are removable. So if there's a bigger item you want to store, you can just take these little inserts in and out as you need. So I use it for all of her hair barrettes, but really you could use it for so many different things, anything you need to have storage for. So if you're looking for a really cute little plastic box to store all of your little goodies in, this box by HOME4 definitely has my vote. So happy I have it, and that's my point of view.